Markets are struggling today, and I'm here for it. So we've actually done very well today, both on the bear and on the bull side of things, shorting the market and even going long on something like MSTR as it came crashing down to lows of $335 per share. We bought into the lows, sold the rip ups, bought into the lows, selling the rip ups. Right now, I only have 100 shares left in the open. I'm up $5,000 on this trade alone. And again, how am I up when a stock is down? Because again, I don't carry these positions overnight. I wait for an opportunity to present itself, either, if I see that it's oversold enough and I see upside potential, or if it's overbought enough like PLTR and I see downside potential. PLTR was a stock that I opened up short today during my live trading session. The video is actually here on YouTube, so you guys can go to my YouTube channel and watch today's live session. I accidentally went live on accident publicly. So it's normally private just for my LPP team. Let me actually add a little bit more to my short. So let me do another 500 shares. But the beautiful thing about this is I'm just working with what the market has given me. We all know that PLTR, based off of recent patterns, has overbought levels right around $77 to $78 per share. So anytime that it rips up, just like it did right at market open, I opened up short, added more to it when direction became favorable, and then covered at previous support range. Never be afraid to take profits. You guys know that I think that these companies are overbought and overextended. Yes, in the long term, right? But I know in the short term, they can continue to pump up. So again, I'm going to make sure that I do my part in taking profits anytime I see to be fit. And I traded this thing twice already. This is my third time shorting it. And what I mean by that is I shorted it, I bought to cover, it ripped back up. I opened up short again. I bought back to cover, locking in profits, and it ripped back up again, opening short again, and again, making more money. And if it retraces back to previous support, I'll make another $2,000 to $3,000, maybe $4,000 shorting PLTR with the same move, right? This is like scalping an intraday play, playing with the highs and playing with the lows. This is something that I cover in detail in the LPP lesson library. And like I said in today's live stream, right? You guys got a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live. I made $7,000 within that live stream. I would encourage you to go and watch it if you have 1 hour to see what it's actually like to watch me trade live. And if you like what you see or you're ready right now, the second link in the description will get you access to LPP for $1 a day is what it breaks down to with the current sale we have going on. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, if you simply want access to this on a daily basis, then again, it's the second link in the description down below. But I wanted to provide you guys with obviously some insight on what it is that I'm focused on today. And it's, yes, although the markets are kind of struggling today, I want to remind you kind of like on the larger time frames, if you guys pay attention to the 4-hour or the day chart, markets are still incredibly bullish, right? Even with something like Tesla. You guys know that I think Tesla is incredibly overvalued, but Tesla is still right on the 4-hour time frame. It's bullish. There is no confirmation of a break of pattern. So remember, you know that I'm a bear. I want to make money as the markets fall, but I can't get ahead of myself. I have to respect the trend. And the trend as of right now on these larger time frames are still bullish. So stay patient, stay calculated. Don't be afraid to make your money, but also don't get greedy in markets like this. Just like we saw a lot of bulls getting greedy at all-time highs, we don't want to do the same when we're seeing things finally going our way and then we don't take profits and then markets continue to recover. Then again, you're going to put yourself in a tough spot. So remember, there's always two sides to every opportunity. Don't be afraid to take profits, especially while we're still in the early stages of a potential reversal. I'm super excited to follow up. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date. And whenever it is that you guys feel like you are ready, if you want to sign up today, you can watch me trade live starting tomorrow. And that's the second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.